Hello, this is Quick Search. We manufacture, assemble and supply agricultural equipment. We also produce and supply pasture seeds. Today, I'll be showcasing some of our equipment we have in our shop. So this is the agricultural sprayer pump powered by 6.5 horsepower petrol engine. It comes with a sprayer gun, a 30-meter hose pipe, and 2-meter suction pipe. So this sprayer pump is ideal for spraying acaricide, pesticides and foliar fertilizers. For tall trees like avocado trees, it is the best sprayer pump. It has high pressure and you can adjust the pressure depending on what you are spraying. This sprayer pump is ideal for spraying animals and all plants in your farm. It has high pressure covering a wide area in a short period of time compared to the manual sprayer pump. It requires minimal maintenance for the engine and for the pump itself.